Well, after our milder afternoon, we are finally seeing those temperatures dip back down below freezing outside. Current temperatures in La Crosse sitting at 30 degrees, 27 in Eau Claire. They're going to slowly fall as we go throughout the night, but we have extended cloud coverage lasting all night long. So temperatures overall, when we wake up in the morning, aren't going to be that chilly whatsoever. We had that cool down yesterday compared to this time yesterday. We're sitting about 5 to close to 10 degrees warmer, and we're going to continue to see that relative warmth move in as we go into tomorrow. La Crosse, we're about 5 degrees warmer, 8 degrees warmer in Eau Claire, and that's just going to be a continuing trend as we go into tomorrow. So with that mentioned cloud coverage, our lows tonight actually looking quite nice, actually warmer than some of our highs just a week ago. 22 will be our morning low when we wake up in La Crosse, 21 in Eau Claire. Much of the area just bottoming out into the low 20s, staying out of the teens tonight. That cloud coverage does stick around through much of the day tomorrow, but that doesn't stop that warmer air from continuing to move into the area. Because of that southerly flow, we're seeing high temperatures climb into or close to the low 40s. Anybody south of I-94 has a really good chance at reaching into the low 40s, 42 in La Crosse. North of I-94, still warm, 38 in Eau Claire. Overall, everyone will be around 10 to 15 degrees above average to start the week off, all thanks to that nice southerly flow that we have going on tomorrow. We had it today as well. It's continuing tomorrow. A light breeze. Overall, the wind speeds really aren't going to be anything notable, but that direction is going to help continue to bring that warmer air in for tomorrow and for Tuesday as well. Not quite as warm Tuesday, staying still above average though, but the winds shift around on Tuesday, starting to blow out of the northwest, and so then by Wednesday we'll have a brief cool down, still looking to be above average though. Even though it will be the coolest day of the week, most of us should at least stay in the 30s even on that coldest day. We have a light chance for some precipitation going into tomorrow before that cool down comes. Very, very minimal chance though, and it's really only going to affect anybody far north of I-94, especially north of Eau Claire. As we get into the afternoon, starting to see maybe some spotty quick shower chances because we are of course going to be above freezing by that point tomorrow. Later on in the evening, then we see that main wave of precipitation passing through. That would be falling as snow rather than rain, but it stays really into the far northern portion of the state. So anyone north of Eau Claire may be seeing a couple flurries later on in the evening. Otherwise, we're not really expecting a whole lot to actually reach further into our area. As far as that temperature trend goes, then again, Monday and Tuesday looking quite nice. Our coolest day will be Wednesday, but still 6 degrees above average, and then it will be a gradual warming trend as we go into the rest of the week and looking into the weekend. We could continue to see those temperatures rise all the way into the start of next week, potentially warming into the mid 40s. Still some question on how warm we can actually get, but what we know for a fact is that it's going to be staying above average all week long.
Okay, I like the sound of above average.
Yeah.